Hello and welcome. If you're wondering how to open the glove box on your Tesla Model 3, here's how you do it. There isn't actually a button or a lever that you would normally pull. It's all done through this central console. So let's do this. What we want to do is press the car icon here, like so. Then over on the left hand side, we are now in the quick controls. And if you look down to the bottom of quick controls, you'll see a button and it's called glove box. So we'll just press glove box. And as you can see, the glove box opens up. Now pressing glove box again. Oh, that was volume. Pressing glove box again doesn't actually close it. So you do still have to physically push it up, but that's no effort whatsoever. So just a quick recap. Locate the car icon in the bottom right. Puts us into quick controls. At the bottom of quick controls is glove box. Press glove box and the glove box opens up. We can't press glove box again to close it, but we can use good old-fashioned elbow grease and close it like that. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more of the same. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.